Okay, looking at the hip swing, left foot flaring. And actually, let's just observe your spine first, because the left scapula here is protruding versus the right scapula. A lot of stagnation up here. This is where it's building. The tension is building here. And this is very postural too. So we have to talk about the long-term correction for this. Do you have any discomfort, tension when I push like that? Left side. Any discomfort or tension here?
A little bit.
And shoulders relax and sink. Let your shoulders sink. Sink. Gentle, gentle, gentle. How's that pressure? Okay? Okay, now we're going to come up to the top of the spine. I'm going to lower the headpiece down just a little bit. Okay. Nice and gentle. Breathing in through your nose and out. Good. Shoulders relaxing.
Was I supposed to hold my breath?
No.
What am I supposed to do?
I said let it all down, and I should have said let it. I should have said let it all go. It's really my fault. It moved.
I thought I was supposed to hold it. Were those blocks in? I didn't even realize those blocks were in the whole time.
Okay, I'm gonna bend your knees. Okay, don't help me. Let this relax. Okay, don't help. Okay. It's popped already.
Yeah, I felt
that was your SI joint. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust your L5 to your sacrum right here. Okay, breathing in through your nose. Good, and out. Good, let the shoulders come up like this. Good, a little bit more, hold on. Good. The sacrum on this side now, yep. Okay, deep breath in. And out.
Oh, that felt good.
Get on your back. Back to center. Now turn your head to the left. Back to center. All right, bring your right ear down to your shoulder.
Like that?
Uh-huh. Back to center. Okay, this time do your other right ear down to your shoulder.
Oh my god. Did I do?
Push your head straight back down into the table. Good. Relax. Head drop in very gentle, just letting everything drop. We're going to bring this over to the side and gently push in that direction, just like that. Good. Good. Sinking, 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 sinking.
I did not expect that. That was good though.
You said you did not like that? Or
No, I didn't expect that. I liked it though. It was good.
Good. Right there. Just sink in. Let it all go. Good. Good. Gentle shoulders relaxed. Hips relaxed.
I feel like it feels like tighter.
Okay. You're okay. You're doing great. You're doing fine. It is a little bit tighter, but all we're doing right now is just letting it drop. Good. That was good.
Caught me off guard there.
Or I'm going to manipulate the organs of digestion, okay?
Okay.
We start with the ileocecal valve. These 2 points and in the middle. Do a belly breath. Perfect. Out. You practice this.
Yeah.
Do it in through your nose this time. Breathing through your nose slows the air, it warms the air. Out. And you can breathe out there. Action your spine, and we're going to pull in that direction like that. Okay, Kat? Mm-hmm. Okay, breathe. Good, and out. Good, close your eyes, nothing to look at. Good, just sinking in shoulders, hips, just letting it all go. You're relaxed, this is good.
Oh, that was a good one.
Side, squeeze your shoulder blades back together. Okay, you're going to bring your head back like this. Look up at the ceiling. Good. Got any more? Good. You look like Madonna from this angle, please. Good, relax. That was good. It's very even. Okay, look straight ahead. Just relax. Good.
I don't think we got it.
No.
All right. That did not go. Lie on your back.
Okay.
I mean, it's the occiput. So turn your head this way. Gonna take a big angle. Bring your head more. Got it.
Oh. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. It actually cracked. Wow. It doesn't even feel tight anymore.
Good.
That's amazing.
There it goes. All right. Got to figure out this lower back. So lift this leg up in the air, the whole leg, and put it back down. And lift the other leg up and put it back down. Is one harder to lift than the other?
This one.
All right.
Doesn't hurt as much.
Good. Now I'm going to grab this leg and pop the ankle. Now, lie on your side facing me. You're going to be facing the painting. Let this hip come towards me. Okay. Lie on your back. Doubling your arm up. Whew.